Masarap magbakasyon, pero ang totoong buhay naghihintay sa pag-uwi. Ito ang buhay ng Bem Fam lately. Happy astrology, guys! Important is the what? Ay!
Make each moment happen. Here at Beam Fam, our stories are real. Here at Beam Fam, family you can feel. Come along with us, wherever we may be. At Beam
So yan guys, we're back home. So yun nga kanina, pumunta pala tayo sa battery ng car. So bumili pala si Mr. ng battery saglit, tapos nandito na tayo sa bahay. So ito yung pinamili natin. Ayan. Ayan guys. So yung total cost all up nasa 600 plus. The more kids you have in Australia, the more expenses. Pero blessing pa rin. Daddy, no? 600.
Yeah, about 650.
Nasa 650 guys. Kasama na yung Aldi, Wallis, at saka yung tawag, ha?
The butcher shop.
And the meat shop. Yeah, nasa 650. A family of 6. Oh. Yan. Grabe talaga guys. If you have plenty kids, oh my God. The more expenses. So yan, lagay ko muna itong yung mga pinamili natin guys kasi kanina pa to. So mamamaya na naman.
We'd like some juice here, please.
Happy Australia Day guys! Happy
Mickey?
Australia Day yan. Ito yung celebration namin guys. Every time Australia Day. Yan, salad,
Ayos.
sausage,
Some juice,
chicken.
please.
No, dude, it costs $5.
Happy,
Yeah, I know,
happy
but I bought it yesterday.
Australia
But they-
Day! Bago mag-start ang school at work, nag-celebrate muna kami ng Australia Day. Simple lang pero masaya.
Sinila ng araw, may kwento na agad. Kasama si Bem Fam, lahat mas masarap. Grocery run, o kaya sa camping van. Australia, open is
Happy Australia Day! Cheers, cheers, cheers! Happy Australia Day! Cheers, cheers! Guys! Cheers! Happy Australia Day! Everybody! Happy Australia Day!
Daddy! Mom! Hello! Mommy! Dad! One plates now.
You want one?
No. Eat at dinner! But you have to sleep.
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
Keep it straight, yeah.
You want this one? I don't go.
I do. Can I?
Oh,
Wow.
Ito pala yung bago namin nila guys. Lalagyan ng lunchbox. Ayan. May Mickey. Ito yung kay Mickey. Gising na si Lucas. So, yan. Kay Mickey. Kay Darius. Tsaka kay Adam. Ayan. So, binigyan sila ng daddy nilang bagong lunchbox kasi yun nga yung lalagyan ng lunchbox. Pero ito yung luma guys. Ito lang yung binilhan nila. So, ito pang Adam, Mickey, and Darius. So, yan. Good morning pala, guys. Good morning, good morning. Yes. I don't know. Alexa, what time is it? So, maaga pa dito,
The
guys.
time is 6:17 a.m.
6:17. So, yan. Nag-ano muna ako ng kanilang lunchbox. Tapos, last night, pinaliguan ko na sila para ngayon, ano na lang, uniform na lang. Tapos, ano lang naman sila guys, breakfast, mga cornflakes, tsaka bread. So, yan. Maya-maya andito na yung mga student natin. At today pala is first day niyang school nila for 2026. So, si Darius year 4, si Adam is, si Adam year 2, tapos si Mickey year 1. So, mamaya na naman ka. Bell fam ha, mamaya na naman fam kasi maglalagay muna tayo ng mga baon ng mga bata. Update ko kayo mamaya. So papakita ko pala sa inyo guys yung loob ng lunch box ba to tawag ko eh. Maganda siya, yan. Maganda siya guys, oh, ayan. Tapos meron siyang ganito. Kay Mickey naman, maganda yung brand ng Smigel. So this is not sponsored by Smigel. Ayan. Maganda siya guys. Ayan. Ayan. Malaki siya. Malaki. Dayos naman. Kitchen. May kitchen pala sila dito. Ang ka-Adam, iba yung ka-Adam. May ganito sa bababa. So yung dati kasi yung brand nila is Smigel din. Maganda kasi yung brand ng Smigel, matibay. Yung nangyari sa kanila 1 year, 1 year din yun. Alam niyo na mga bata. So ayan. May kitchen din pala sila guys. Yan, binili ng daddy nila yan. May kasamang kitchen kay Darius. Kay Mickey. Kay Adam. So, mamaya na pa wala tayo matapos nito. Malilate yung mga bata.
Finally,
Year 4 ng aking panganay. Ang bilis ng panahon. 3 ng students ko ngayon. Next year, 4 na sila in God's grace.
Stop, beast.
Is-
Our bag is in the car.
Just tell me your name again. Who are you? This is my student, Darius.
Mr. Beast.
Adam.
Kayla.
So, andito na yun. They are very excited for the first day of school.
Because I'm
guys.
going in year 1 and I got my bag in the car.
First day of school today.
I'm
Listen.
going. I'm
Ayun.
from
This
the
one.
beginning, yo. I'm in grade
So, yun nga pala, guys. Wait, saglit.
Can you look after this?
Wait. So, ayan. Ito pala si Darius, guys. My eldest. What year are you? Tell them.
Grade 4.
Year 4. Grade 4. Grade 4 or year 4?
Grade 4. Grade 4, year 4, say.
Yeah. Year 4. My year 1, Mickey. Adam, come here. And this is my Adam. Year 2, yeah? Okay. Tuk, son. He know how to tuk. He said, I am year 2.
I am year 2 and Michaela year 1.
So, are you excited? Are you
He's
excited?
6. I mean,
Are you excited for your first day of school today?
yeah.
You study hard and be happy, okay?
And I'm 6. He's 7. 6, 7. 6, 7.
Oh, 6, 7. So, ayan. So, early in the morning. Good morning, guys. So, good morning. Good morning.
Don't
forget
to like and subscribe.
No, ba?
Passion,
It's for... Picture sa alaga, guys, be? Picture muna kami, guys.
Kasama si Belfam, lahat mas masarap. Grocery run, o kaya sa camping van. Australia o Pinas.
Darius, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Kami, not too much close. See you first day ng school nila, guys.
see.
Si Rusty, guys. Bye-bye. Ayun na yung mga student natin, guys. Kama na. Mag-drink na si mami ng coffee. Mamiss nila si Rusty.
Mama, if you need more cocoa.
Ha? More? Yan. So, coffee muna tayo. Wait. Pag alis nila, tahimik ulit ang bahay. Kami na lang ni Lucas. So today we are in the Bunnings. So today me and Lucas and Daddy and Mommy in the Bunnings. Oh my God. Tam, out there, Tam. Come, mommy, come here. Out. Oh my God. Oh my God. Thank you. Where are we, Tam? Bunnings. Skilled, masipag, maalaga. Nasa kanya na lahat. Thank you, Lord.
We are the BAM family life in Australia.
Out mo dito.
For happy kids, real stories, real laughter. Parenting moments, Philippines.
Son.
Yeah? Yeah?
Is that your pencil?
Yeah.
Ayan, baro si daddy. Okay? Look, Dayos, oh, how they make that bench. Bench there. Measuring. Hold that one, son. Yep. That's why important is the math. Numbers. No. Ay!
I'm backing off. Wait, those are the hay? Have to down the bin.
The red one. Just wait, Salab. He wants to help the little boy.
Why are they white?
Also the cart, Ro.
Nah. Those are the handles. He's making it big. He's making it
Measuring na naman siya, guys. Car. Look at them, how daddy make a bench.
You know, why? How does the bench look?
Out mo din, guys. Just in case of emergency. Don't touch like dirty hands.
Then you had proper craftsmen.
Ha?
In the old days, you had proper craftsmen because they had to build the house from scratch.
Install na, guys. That's it. If you have a tool, it's easy, eh? Bunnings. What do you do? What are you doing there? Making a study table, guys. My husband is very talented, guys. Is very good in tip measure of math. Using a math. Tip measure na siya. Oh my God. Measuring naman siya. Eh. So, yan na yung guys. The study table and the bench of the kids. Yan. Wow. Good job to my husband. Eh. Very smart di ka, diba? Yan pala, guys. Bunnings save. Simple lang, pero dito kami masaya. Hindi man laging caravan life, pero blessed pa rin. So, luto na yung lechon kawali air fryer, guys. Ayan. So, yan. Kain na tayo. Saglit. Try natin yung crunchy, guys. Not crunchy.
Looking for food.
Ha?
Rusty's looking for food.
I give you ready food while ago. Yan, guys. Can you bring some? Guys! No, yan lang din. I don't trust din. So yan, guys. Dito kami sa labas kumain sa alfresco. Ayan. Barbecue, salad, may java rice. First time making java rice and the crispy pork. Kawali. Ayan. Kain na tayo, guys, kasi yung barbecue kasi tsaka yung pork kawali, pag hindi siya crispy or fresh or hot, hindi na siya maganda
Look
kainin.
at this. Oh, so juicy.
Uy! Kain na tayo, guys. Kasi Mang Tomas din.
Hey, give me one. Hey, give me one.
Oy, kami na oy. Eat na mo he.
Oh, stop it, Rusty. Dad,
Salad din kami dito guys. Ayan.
Daddy? Dad, folk drink.
Oh, there's not enough for you and everyone else.
Give me the one.
Our stories are real.
Balik na sa normal life hanggang sa susunod na adventure dito sa Benfam. Pamilya mo na rin kami.
Coloring.
Mom, this one's for you.
Thank you.
Hey, Mickey.
Give me the plate of... Kain tayo guys. So, nag-request yung mga bata na dito kami kakain sa labas. Wow, fresco.
Have a look. Hey.
Diet daw.
Hi, what did she
Barbecue san, get your barbecue san.
That was little.
Ay, kain tayo guys. First time ko pala gumawa ng java rice. Wala kasi akong ano, I don't have anato powder, so I'm doing chili oil, medyo spicy little bit. So next time I need to buy anato powder or anato oil. I'm using chili oil.
What's that for?
The color. Buti na
What do
lang.
you do with Java rice?
Ha? They call java. I don't know why.
Sticky.
Huh?
Extra coat.
No, because I put plenty of water.
Hey,